guys, so today I'm going to be doing another vlog, obviously because you're going to be seeing this. Just so you guys know, I am not going to be doing this daily. It's going to be like my other channel where it's like I can upload wherever I want to, whenever I want to, and it's different every day, but yeah. I'm only vlogging on like special days and special occasions. So like today, I'm going to a soccer game, and we're gonna make it like a road trippy thing, if that makes sense. I got a new shirt, and it says sale. I don't remember. I think we got this at Ross. Maybe Old Navy. I don't remember. It was one of those two stores. But yeah, we're going to a San Jose Quakes game and a LA. Oh, I don't remember their name. Was it the LA Earthquakes? No. Anyway, whatever the LA soccer team is, obviously I'm not good at soccer teams. I'm basically getting like, not dragged into this, but it's like I'm forced to go. I find it funny how I'm always the first one to be ready, but yet nobody else. So guys, it's obviously the next day because it's still sunlight outside, but it's actually nighttime the next day because I've been sleeping all day. We didn't get home till like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I slept until when I would usually have lunches is 12, and that's when I had breakfast, and I just had dinner, and it's 7:30. So yeah, today has been really boring. So yeah guys, this is my like outro I guess for this vlog. So I know I didn't really get to vlog a lot of the soccer game. Most of it was just fireworks, and I'm sorry for that, but if you guys like fireworks, then you would obviously like love this vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and now I can actually put a subscribe thingy right here. So happy. But yeah guys, like, subscribe, and I will see you